Hey guys, in today's video I will show you how to center object in Inkscape. Choose the object you want to center. Navigate to the object menu at the top. Click on Align and Distribute to open an alignment panel. In the alignment panel, find the options for aligning on different axes. Click on icon representing the vertical axis. This aligns the selected object vertically. If you want to center the object on horizontal axis, choose a respective icon. For precise alignment in middle of page, ensure that alignment is relative to page. Click on the both vertical and horizontal axis icon to center object both vertically and horizontally. Your objects are now perfectly aligned in the center of canvas. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video.